Hey guys, I'm back. I'm going to work on that 93 up there some more. I'm going to put in the fuel rail, fuel injectors, and another harness on it. So stay tuned and come with me. Alright guys, for me to get the fuel rails and fuel injectors in, I've got to take this intake off. So I got to take that bolt, those two I've already taken out, and the two on the back there to get this intake off. So let me get it off. Intake off. So now I'm going to put the fuel rail and fuel injectors in so I can permanently put the intake on and leave it on. So let's get after it. Alright y'all, I've got the injectors in and the fuel rail on. So now I need to get this upper intake on still, but I can't fully put it on. I just got to put it on and put the bolts in because the upper intake's missing a plug that I got to get in it. And then I got to get that harness up here at the front. So let's get to it. Alright guys and gals, I've got the intake on for now just to close up some holes on the engine. So now I'm moving to the wiring harness right there, changing it out. So let's get to that. Alright guys, as you can see, I've got the old wiring harness out and I'm starting to put the new used wiring harness in. So let's get to it, or finish it up. Let's get to it. Alright, I've got the other wiring harness in for the headlights. I had to get a wiring harness for a V8 instead of a 4-cylinder. So I got that. I've got them installed. So that's it for today. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I had to do today. So until next time, I'll catch y'all later.